spoken by Macbeth. Macbeth Art 2 Scenes 1. This is a dagger which I see before me. The handle toward my hand, come let me close. The I have the knot and yet I see the steel. Art to not big vision, sensible to feelings, as to sign or art to a dagger of the mind. A false creation proceeding from the heat of present brain, I see the yet in form a fable about. As this which now I draw to martial meet the way that I was going, and such an instrument I was to use, mine eyes are made the fools, the other sense, or else worth all the rest. I see the steel, and on the blade, and the beyond the drops of blood, which was not so before there's no such thing. It is the bloody business to my eyes, not the one half word. Not your sins dead and weekend dreams abuse. The curtain sleep with craft celebrates failed cricket offerings and withered murder alarm by his sentinel. The wolf was how his watch. Those with his still pig with curtain his ravishing string toward his design moved like a gas to shore as pit set earth. Turn not my step, which way thy walk or fare, the very stone trade of my whereabout, and take the present horror of the time, which now sanctuary once and strangely life ward to the head of death's to hold greatly. A bell rings. I go and it's the bell invites me. Her it's not one, for it is a dead that summer the to heaven or to hell. Oops! Stop na!